Bakit magandang pasukin ang travel and tourism industry? 3 things to consider. Number 1, gaano kalaki ang market ng business? Simple lang, dahil worldwide ang clients mo. Number 2, gaano ka-in-demand ang business? In-demand siya dahil travel is part of civilization, both lifestyle and business. Kaya imposibleng walang magpapabook or magta-travel. Essential part of society ang traveling. Number 3, can I personally manage it with ease? Well, madali siya i-manage at very efficient na sobrang tipid pa sa operation. Tatlong yan ay swak na swak sa travel tourism industry. Cellphone plus internet or data connection ay pwede ka nang magkaroon ng worldwide business. Sana makatulong. Mag-message ka, tap